Hello.
This is for change?
Yeah.
Do you have the pin by chance? It's usually the last part of your phone. You're all alone.
I am all alone today.
Try the last part of your phone number.
Yeah, 7066.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're
I appreciate
welcome.
it.
Hope that helps. I'm gonna go home and make pizza.
Yeah. You too. Gotta get the coffee. What's up, guys? Let's see. Got the coffee. Got the coffee, got the water. What else more could we need, you know? We got New York about to open. Clear all these drawings. What are you guys doing? My throat hurts a bit. Yeah, this market was super choppy over the evening. There's no clear directional, but we did set all-time highs again. So it's our all-time high. Come on, look at that. Mark the London high, London low. We just opened. What's up, guys? Yeah, we ended up taking the short. We were up like 20. I think I got stopped out though. There we go. Trying to get signed into my account. My balance finally settled for my funded account or my live account. Let's see. I need to make sure my market data is correct. I don't know which one I need. Hmm. Okay. Let's look at gold. Or literally pushing. And that gold setup was decent. Held above, pull back, continuance. See, look at gold. We held this area very well on gold. Gold might be the move today, guys. Let's get the 4 hour. Take this high up here to the low. Oh, we pushed above that fib. Okay, now let's see on a daily time frame. Go back to the hour. Honestly, we probably have to use a 4 hour demand or supply zone. Kind of tapped into it. Next one I see is up here. I'm not really liking the way NQ's moving right now. You just keep pushing. I would like to get a pullback on NQ today if we could. Our luck though, we're just gonna pull back and keep pushing up. I'm the yawn master today. I'm tired. Oh, the field. How's everybody doing this morning? You guys get your coffee? Greasy's calling me. My phone's not ringing. Dude, that gold went insane yesterday. Literally insane. I've blown a lot of accounts over the years. You talk about evals funded. It was NQ, the trade that I took. What's up, bro? My head's probably crazy. Then don't trade Asia session. Especially lately, I haven't really been trading Asia session a lot. If I do, I like Asia session late. I'm watching NQ and gold. Guys, this snow is melting so fast out here. It's insane. Nope, no entries. What time do you think we will see a chat on here from Jalen saying he misses us? I don't know. Hopefully soon, because I miss him. And I still have another week till he comes back. Guys, you gotta understand, I've literally been with Jalen almost every day, no longer than a week separation for the last year and for like the last 13 months. I've seen him almost every day. Max is like 3 days when he's left to Nebraska, or like when I was in Maryland last week. Literally. Guys, I gotta hold the fort down here. Who's gonna stream for you guys? Who's gonna, do stuff like this? Who's gonna take care of stuff that he needs taken care of? I think we're gonna take to be gone too for 10 days, both of us. That's kind of a lot. He got 3 dogs. He has a lot going on at his house, so I'm taking care of that for him while he enjoys his vacation. But we might take a trip here soon. We were talking about going to probably Mexico or the Dominican Republic. Brandon too. Brandon would come, and GD. All four of us. The DR, I've never been there. I've been in Mexico many times. Do we have news? I use my own strategy. It's based on levels and price action. From the DR, that's dope. Let me check news. Jalen's birthday is actually tomorrow, guys. At 8 o'clock, we have a little bit of news coming in. I don't have a Mexico hoodie, actually. I only got a hat. This is a TJR brand. This is a Kiltech. This hoodie. Jalen got it for me. It's actually pretty dope. It's a reversible hoodie, so it goes either way. It's pretty dope. I like this hoodie. And at the end of the day, I'm from the States. This is my country. That's dope. I think it's Jen's birthday today. It's Grizzly's birthday tomorrow too. Two old men and Team Bull. There. Should work better now. Time is it? 7:48. Jenny's at home, or he's on vacation. Exactly. What's coming out at 8, Jonathan? Is it yellow? Yeah, we are gonna sing on live. We're gonna sing for Jadon. He's kind of sad. This is his last day of his 20s. I'm gonna text him right now. I texted him. I said, "Happy last day of your 20s." Is that mean, guys? Is he on with Grizzly? He is Unk now. He's OG. Honestly, I'm just waiting for price action to develop. We're still in this range here, guys, on NQ. We haven't really broke out of the range at all. Guess I could mark out my 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Not really looking on a 5-minute. Still in this range, guys. Dude, why is he trying to connect? It's because he's trying to connect on his and he keeps logging me out. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to switch this real quick. feel like this market doesn't really make any sense. Okay, yep, this is the right one. Why is it not working now? Hold on, guys. Trying to fix this. Jeez, what is that move? Why is this not working? There we go. Go to work now. Let me readjust. Damn, NQ's nuking. There we go. Hold on. Now let me fix it. Let me do the 2. Could have gold up too. I swear, guys, I hate trading view. I don't like it at all. Do not like trading view. There we go. That looks better. We're just gonna use mine, and now I could put my things on too. Put my indicators on, since we're not using JDUNs anymore. NQ is on a launch. Honestly, I prefer Thinkorswim for my charting. I think it's the best platform. I just use it because that's what doesn't get me restricted. Jadon is at. I gotta restart the live, guys. TikTok. How to restart. Kind of just waiting, guys. Gold's starting to get a bit of a push up. Overall market is getting a push up. I think that NQ could set another all-time high. What do you think of this pullback? Entry or too close to supply on what? Jenon is gone. See, like, that's thing too. ES is pushing down, but NQ is pushing up. You don't really like to see that. It shows that there's not much agreement in the market right now. What time is it? 8:01. So we close on gold. First hour close is pretty bullish. To 30-minute. Hello. Honestly, you could have counted this as a semi-orb. We had to close, pulled back into it at 770, but I didn't really like that for longs. We're just gonna be patient and watch. Honestly, I don't see anything I'm liking so far. Man, that coffee got me going. Does look sketchy. Two seconds, guys. I'm gonna blow my nose real quick. Retest 750. And that could be an option. if gold is going to continue long, we need it to close above this 62 area. There goes NQ. I'm not looking at anything yet, just because no gold, or no long, no short. There goes NQ. Just testing that London high right now. NQ's ripping. What I'd like to see, guys, if we get a strong close on this 15-minute above probably like this 830-ish, we could look for a pullback into like 782 and take it long just back into that high. I don't know who that was. There goes NQ. It's climbing. We're tired of you laminating it. Just don't do it. What are you talking about? That volume isn't really there. I'm gonna full pour something. Psych. Just kidding. What's ES doing now? Okay, ES is starting to make that move up. The overall market is getting a move up. Let's check oil. Oil's moving down. Damn, that reject off VWAP on oil was pretty nice. Tesla's getting a move up. It's falling though. Let's look at Apple. Apple move up. NQ or ES isn't pushing on some highs yet. Yeah, I agree with you, Jonathan. I would need to see a nice close on the 15-minute though. Let's watch this 5. We got 30 seconds on it. Is Jadon still on that on the Zoom with Grizz? She did get that close. It's 332. Would like to see a pullback on IQ. Damn, NQ's ripping. Just go long, don't paper. Don't paper? What do you mean don't paper? I think gold wants this run up. I want to see how it reacts back at this 6-2. That's crazy. The DLJ is suing Colorado over their magazine ban. Nope, haven't took a trade yet. No, I don't trade Bitcoin futures. I've heard of people trading Bitcoin futures, but personally, I personally don't. I had to use the bathroom real quick, guys. Give me like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I'll be right back. And I'm back. So we never got that real pullback on in a queue. Wow. Maybe I stand corrected. Oh my god. What is going on with gold? Just dropped like 10 points. Damn. As long as the gold are printing. Now, with that pullback, shot up. That's a pretty aggressive sell-off. Yeah, literally. I'm gonna turn the heater on. It's a bit freezing in here. Honestly, the only thing I got on watch is a pullback on this AQ. There's Jadon. I miss you, dude. Guys, Jadon's dog slept with me last night, and he chewed my sock up. And he woke me up in the middle of the night and was trying to take my blanket from me. Not a nice dog. Very bad dog. It's like a military dog. Not a German Shepherd, the other one. No. I wouldn't even drive it if he let me. I'm scared of that car. I don't like that car, guys. I'll ride in it, but I'm scared of it. Yeah, mountain walls. Yeah, that car's so scary. Like, I've driven to the coffee shop once. It's so scary. Like, you put your foot on the gas, but then like you don't want to press it too hard because like the power is just there, and like I was shaking like this because like I was giving it gas, but then like I don't know, I was trying to ease into it and it just wanted to go. Yeah, literally, his dog is bullying me while he's on vacation. He was literally on me this morning, like with his claws, trying to like pry my blanket off of me. Yeah, he's a crazy dog. No, not 400K, 600K. Let's see. I'll look right now. I'm not sure how many miles he has on it, but let's see. I don't think he has. I think he has like less than 10,000 miles. So, all right, the same one as his, but black, with 15,000 miles, 506. That's crazy. One with 275 miles, 800. Let's see. So yeah, with 4,000 miles, same one, 600 grand. That car is scary, guys. It's a very beautiful car, though. I like the Storado the most though. That's my favorite one. I love the Storado. I will forever love that car. Which is crazy because I always loved the Urus more than anything. But that Storado, it's just different, man. I just love that car. It's an off-road car, and I think off-road things are cool. So, yeah. It's a cool car to me. You can say I missed along, but realistically, I didn't like it. It wasn't deep enough of a pullback. This market's been difficult to trade this week, guys. Literally, we're at all-time high again. Someone mentioned that they think it's going to hit 30 grand, and then we'll see some pullback. Honestly, I don't think that's a bad idea. Realistically, though, guys, since the last day of March, so April 1st, the last month and a half, damn near, you could have literally just went long every day and almost been right almost every day. Like we've increased 23,000. It's almost got like 6 grand in equity. These NQ contracts. Insane. No, I haven't took a trade. It's moving, guys. Honestly, I don't know where this is gonna go. ES is kind of, it's falling back. It's not there. You have NQ setting all-time highs, but ES is just not going. Damn, that ES is falling. I will if Jadon tells me to. That gold is gone.
Order filled.
New high day on gold. You guys like my jokes? You guys are paying attention. I like that. If it was the guy when I would have freaked out. Not cool. That was funny. Yeah, I did that on the practice. I knew I was gonna get you guys. That was pretty funny. Watch, I'm gonna do it again on the practice account. Let's see. Ready?
Order filled. Order
How's
filled.
it going?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected. Order
I'm not really
filled.
taking trades, guys. I'm just messing around on this practice account. I'm giving you guys heart attack. You guys thought it's your PC, don't you? I know some people check their accounts to make sure. I got you guys. Chill out, guys. I'm just kidding. Literally, I'm on the practice account. Just clicking orders. I wonder if I could do that on the other one too. Hold on, let me check. How do I log out? Log out. Sign in. Hold on. Let's get the Tradebait one going now. I just got my live account all good to go. All right, let's see. Audio notifications. Let's see if this one goes.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
I'm just
filled.
playing, guys. Can you guys hear it now? Where is my chart? Hold on, guys. I think I'm just joking around too, by the way, guys. I'm not really taking trades. Messing around on my demo accounts. I know everybody's having heart attacks. I don't know why I can't hear it through my PC though. Let me just mess with my settings. There we go. Now it's working.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm stupid, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, I won't mess with you guys anymore. I promise. I won't mess with you guys anymore. Why did they do that? There. Alright, jokes aside. Why does it keep doing that? It keeps putting black screen. There. Jesus. There we go. Order filled, order filled, order filled. I'm about to just start doing that every day. I'm gonna do it on Asia stream too, on my practice accounts. On the demo accounts, literally. I should I trade a couple of Top Step accounts. I should do the where you could do your own custom ones. I should have Jacob say order filled for me.
Order filled. Order rejected. The market is closed. The market is open.
Order placed.
The market is open. The market is closed. Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think somebody should make a mix with just that. All right. Test those things offline. I'm just kidding. You guys are soft. We're literally just chilling here, having fun. There's literally no opportunity in the market. You guys are mad about some sounds. NQ isn't doing anything. I'm still just waiting on a pullback on it. We are an hour in. I did like this gold for longs, but we are somewhat rejecting off of the supply zone up here. Do not redeem. Yeah, I understand you want to make money, but when there's no opportunity, you just need to chill. We're just chilling right now. We're waiting. Keep joking around, please. Janan literally messes around all the time on his streams. You guys always crying too? Literally. Dude, you can... Gold's making a dip down. What's the old doing? Old's making a move back up. We're holding this 90 pretty well, Noel. We did have a run up the other day to 110 though. That was insane. Did anybody trade like corn or anything like that? I know that they have like soybeans. They have corn, wheat. Yeah, gold honestly is a move, but so my whole thing with trading gold in New York is it's super choppy. Like I just feel like we have better direction in the evening for gold, especially for like late Asia going into London. Like anything past like 11 p.m. Mountain Time. So yeah, like 11 p.m. That's what I like to trade. But we've been choppy. Yeah, I guess we had a good run up on gold. Not yesterday, but the day before. I just feel like gold has a lot better movement in New York or in Asia and London versus New York. I don't know why too. So on my Thinkorswim charts, it says that gold opens at 6:15 technically. I think it's because it's Comex instead of Jadon's on vacation. I use Tradeovate. So wait, do you mean what prop firm do I use to trade gold? I use Tradeify and Top Step. Alpha, I don't have any alpha accounts right now. Bro missed the longs playing what sounds like a little Mexican kid. Dude, there was literally no for my system, I didn't have an opportunity to get in longs. Literally. That was funny. I'm gonna do that once in a while. I'm gonna just play that sound and see how much people freak out. So yeah, FFF is a really good firm too for gold. I love their accounts. Honestly, those Premier Plus accounts are some pretty heavy hitting accounts in the industry right now. Their accounts, their payout caps on the 50Ks, I believe, are like 2K, which is pretty good. Honestly, they're all around 2K. Everybody's payout caps, so I like that with them. I like that they don't have consistency anymore in those plans. You don't have to have before you had to make 4250 before you could get a payout, and then it increased every stage on. I like that you don't have to get that now, and their live accounts are pretty good. I heard from someone who works there as well. They will be adding wealth charts to their live accounts. So I'm in talks with them right now. I did end up messing up my live account with them a couple weeks back. I did manage to pull out around 10,000 from my live account with them. But yeah, I'm looking forward to continue trading with them, even if I have to start from the beginning in simulated stage, going or eval stage, simulated stage, and then to their professional stage, and then to their live stage. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I do copy trade. Right now I've been copy trading accounts with Tradeify. I have 4 evals I'm working on, and then 1 funded account that I'm working on, and then I have a couple top step accounts. I think I have some Apex evals, but I haven't been really trading them because with Apex you can't trade gold, which is very unfortunate. They would probably be my top firm if I was able to trade gold. But as far as their like accounts and their whole EOD change to the trailing drawdown, I honestly love it. The reason why I didn't really like Apex at all was because of the trailing. I hate intraday trailing. But they made some good changes. Personally, I've gotten I think 6K in payouts from Apex this year so far. He talks too much. He missed a trade. There is no trade, bro. I have my own live account too. I do have live account. Man, NQ is just nonstop. Just ripping. Look at these 15 minutes, guys. We haven't had any clear pullback from my strategy. I mean, you could kind of call this a pullback, but I really would have rather had this high here. So, until we get something clear, I'm just going to wait. Yeah, Corey's speaking facts. 20 micros. Buys with A plus setup. 20 micros is kind of a lot, though, honestly. Yes, sir. I appreciate you, not Hunterberry. LOL love account use just to sign up so you can get money. I don't have any. And what we do here is we try and... Why do you think we have DOD? Let me ask you that. Why do you think we preach DoD so hard? If I wanted everybody to blow their accounts, I would have took already 5 trades this morning. Think about that. Use logic in what you're saying before you say something. How you coming on a... Yeah, for sure. I thought Apex can trade gold now. So I asked Brandon about it. I told him to reach out to his connects there and see what they have to say. Why do you have headphones? Why did you have headphones on? What are you talking about? Bro, I was in a meeting with my boss and had headphones on, and you did order filled, and I did freak out. Thanks for that. It's a good joke. What's everybody's preferred firm right now? I know a lot of people are liking Lucid. If I get trade initiative does stop loss, how can... So what you're gonna do is you're gonna you're gonna let right click, and then you're gonna put either it'll say stop. Yeah, so you're gonna right click, it'll say so if you're in a short, it'll say buy stop. If you're in a long, it'll say like sell stop. It'll be either red or green depending on what side of the market you're on. Hello. Yeah, he's bad. Yeah. Yeah. He was being nice to me. That's cool. But yeah, he freaking ate my sock this morning. I was like, dude, I just bought those socks. What else? Nothing. I haven't taken anything. There's honestly like NQ's just going straight up. ES is being weird, and then gold is kind of like moving up too, but it's being weird as well. I don't like anything. Literally, we just ripped straight up, bro. We're almost at 29,000. You know what's funny, Jacob? Oh man. Yeah, I know you forgot about me. I played a joke on everybody this morning. Yeah. Yeah. Cause we were just sitting here waiting. There was there's no opportunity for a trade, and I went on my simulated account and I enabled the put sounds on basically loud, and I just started spamming the order button on the account, and people started freaking out. They thought it was their computer. They thought I was getting into like full porting trades. It was hilarious. Yeah, it was pretty funny. Yep. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna go pick up the PC after this. I'll call you when I'm done streaming. Okay? Yeah. Yep. Yes, sir. No. Good. That's awesome. Yes, sir. You have fun. Don't get eaten by a shark today, please. No. Of a baby shark? Baby shark. Let me see. I know you told me about it, but I don't think I've seen it. It looks great out there. Oh, wow. Baby shark chilling. That's cool. I seen the lizards. I don't know how I just skipped past the little shark. That's so gross. You eating those snails again? All right, you two. I'm gonna go get the PC after this. I'll let you know. All right, bye. Why didn't he take you? Because he got you as a marketing prop. You're funny, bro. I have a live account too. So does Jadon. Yeah, we got some trolls out here. Yeah, they make all your money. Well, I made 13,000 last month just off trading. So, yeah. You probably probably work at McDonald's, bro. I'm waiting for this pullback on NQ. I would like it down here like 782 to 814. This 15-minute high, or this 15-minute orb, or the London high. I guess we could mark the 30-minute as well, the 30-minute orb. Man, gold is pumping. Nuclear. Okay, that's your opinion. My bad that you can't get a payout with prop firms. So I'm picking up Jadon's PC. They had to do like a full rebuild on it. I'm not sure why so many components failed. I think it's because we we utilize all of it. And it's pretty high powered what we run, especially with like, YouTube, TikTok, Discord, all of the charts, stuff like that. So honestly, I think it just kind of gave out. I kind of let me see what they put on it. He messaged me yesterday. Let's see. Um, let's see. So I needed a repair would be a new motherboard, RAM, and GPU. Yeah. So pretty much almost all of the main components had to get replaced. GPU, motherboard, RAM, CPU. It's pretty extensive, No, it's usually quite the opposite. If you have more money, you usually have all the time in the world. Man, AQ still doesn't want to give us that pullback. It's kind of a big zone on gold. See if I can narrow it down. It's a 4-hour zone. Guys, I miss skiing. Got that snow yesterday and I wanted to go skiing so bad. It's crazy though. This snow's already almost, like, it's almost gone. How am I ruining his reputation? I do miss the snow. I think A Basin is open this weekend, but I won't go back to A Basin. That's where Jaden got hurt. I think it's cursed. I've only ever skied. I haven't tried snowboarding. Literally. I wish I had the clown mask. Oh, the field. Oh, the field. Well, guys, starting to look like we're not going to take a trade today. It's like nothing here. That's good, man. If you're not taking any trades either, you're definitely being DOD. That's fire. I've thought about getting back into options. I wouldn't really want to day trade options though. I'd probably want to swing trade options. I have a friend who only trades options and he crushes. It literally is. So I like swing trading options because you could make money on exponential returns versus like day trading them, especially with this market being choppy. It's a lot harder to do, especially if you're trading closer to expiration, which that's what people typically do is they day trade options that are closer to expiration. So you gotta factor in like things like time decay, and I rather day trade futures than options. I rather swing trade options. And swing trading futures is honestly that's not really feasible just because of how expensive it is. It's like 30 grand a contract. You got him. Order filled. Order filled. Whole market is just nuking straight up. No, I'm not taking trades. I'm just chilling. Just waiting. Hmm. What is your expected pullback zone to go long? I would like to see it around this 800 area. So 28, 800. We're like 100 points from it now. But honestly, like I don't really feel comfortable getting in, on even slight pullbacks. Like say that we bounced here, I don't feel comfortable getting in that close to the top. Simple Or did do well today. I will give you that. heck? Order filled. So this was our high here at 782. We had a slight close above, pulled back at 780-ish. And literally nuked. American flag hoodie. It's a Kiltech hoodie, so if you know who TJR is, it's his brand. It's just American flag all around, and then my zipper would work. On the inside, it's just reversible. It's like the smaller flag, and it's white all around. It's a pretty dope hoodie, honestly. Wow. There's that dip back in gold. NQ's pulling back to that 5-minute, 8 EMA. Kind of want to take a long on gold, but we are in a supply zone, which typically I should not be taking longs in a supply zone. That goes against my rules. The zipper barely works. Come on, TJR, that's hilarious. It was just honestly kind of, it's like, I don't know. I think because it's a reversible, the inside was caught in. Cars? What do you mean? Do I even own a car? Are you serious? Where's the way done? He's on the beach, dude. He's living his life. Yeah, this is TJR's brand, Kiltech. Honestly, it's kind of expensive. I think this hoodie was like at least 200. I don't know. I didn't buy it. It was a gift. Let me see. Kiltech. Okay, looks like we want this pullback in NQ. I'm gonna wait for this London high. We got like 45 points to go. Everything's dying right now. They're taking all the liquidity out of the market. Somebody just got liquidated. I'm sorry for you if you got liquidated. Sorry. Heck, my phone's not working. Honestly, I don't think it's normal. I couldn't tell you why they're running it up so high. I mean, if you look at the overall economic conditions, I mean, I guess they're doing good. Or they're not doing as well. Companies, I guess, could be doing good. I don't know. It's just difficult, you know. Careless Gene Man, come on now. Anyone look at the guy on the screen now? I think it's running up because companies are doing well. It doesn't make sense though. Like based on even just oil being up so high, and overall prices going up on almost anything we use. Let's look it up. Yeah, so honestly, it's what I said. Corporate earnings are stronger than expected. AI is driving a massive earnings boom. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like we were in such a gray area with the recession. It never really hit when people were expecting it. It says the Fed is no longer seen aggressively tightening. They've been loosening up money. Huge amounts of money are flowing into equities. Markets are betting the future will be more productive. That's really so. A lot of it's speculation. A lot of it's has some fundamentals to do with it, based on companies just doing well. A lot of people are just bullish on what the country is going to be doing. So I don't know. It's kind of uncertainty. I'd say a lot of it is just speculation. But at the end of the day, we can't really say when the top is going to be in, you know? But I can tell you, I did like the market back in November. So if we go back to November, where is it? So from the 29th of October to the mid-November, we were in like a slight downtrend. I did well in that. That's my like favorite market to trade. Then we started kind of like downtrending, but we were chopping a lot in March and February. And then ever since the beginning of April, we just had a literally nuclear run up. Absolute nuclear. So we did bounce off that 8 EM or 21 EMA on the 5-minute and that 8 EMA on the 15. We didn't get that full pullback that I would have liked to see. I like the pullback at like 800 to 814. This so 814 is London high, and then the 803 to be exact is the 30-minute high, or the 30-minute opening range top. I don't think the top's in either. I like what somebody said the other day with us going up to 30K. I think that's definitely possible with the way that we've been running up. Someone get our phone back so we can see him on his stream. Wow. I think that there's going to be some profit taking, like, you know, when we get to that 30K. I think there's going to be a big pullback, which is nice because I like to trade, temporary downtrends. But then again, you never know. Eventually, though, we will get a pullback. That's just how the market works. People will take their profits, and then they eventually get back in. That's what drives the market. 50 retracement from highs, man. Yeah, he did call me short. Remember whose stream you're on, bro. You've been here for like 30 minutes just watching me. You're obviously a fan. Thanks for your support. This would have been nice to take off the open. On ES, we can also watch like this 7396 area. Why did I change it? Let's change this. We're so close to getting that pullback I want. Just sitting. Yes, sir. We're just hanging out. Trading doesn't have to be lonely, That's why we do these streams. It's not only us calling out trades and giving you our insight on what we're looking at, but it's also, us making trading fun, if you want to call it. If you want to call it fun. Ooh, the field. I'm going to tell Jalen, instead of doing the voice, I'm going to tell him just to hop on a simulated account and rip the sound. No, I don't really watch order flow. I don't know. I know it's something I can incorporate into what I do, but I've never really had the need for it. Yeah. Just got off work. Just got on. Where's Jadon? Jadon is gone. He's on vacation. I can tell you guys don't follow him on social media. I'm in longs and in the negative. What happened to your trade, bro? What's the yellow line? VWAP. So the yellow line is my 21 EMA. I use the 21 and 8 EMA both on the 5 and the 15 minute. We can also look for a retracement of the session. So we have this low here, this high here. It's right around that 826. So I'd love to see in this area. Here, I'll mark it on this chart too. Mm. 826 to like right there. So this is the zone I have on watch, basically, guys. I have this zone on watch down here. FDO. Oh, no problem, man. Kind of getting a little bit of a bounce on gold. Doo -doo -doo. Nope, not in any trades. What orange line? This is the 8 EMA, 21 EMA. If you guys notice, you guys can see it up here. Oh, never mind. No, I don't think TikTok can see it there. And then VWAP is honestly kind of low on NQ. It's down here at like 786. So with how bullish you've been, you might not get the full 50% retracement. Or more to go long. It might just rip here. It could, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. You know, I like to trade the 50% and the 61.8, so I'm not gonna alter that with no back testing or with any knowledge of what that can do. So we're just waiting. Trading is all about the waiting game. Honestly, I've took 3 trades this week so far, or 4 maybe. Come on. Come on, give us this pullback. Gene, do you like your prop lifestyle? What are you talking about? He didn't take the position, Jonathan. I already know. He's just mouthing off. I'm looking for a reaction down here at these retracement, 50% retracement, just somewhere in the zone of 826, 814, 800. So 800 is going to be my 30-minute high, opening range high. 814 is the high of London, and 826 is the 50% retracement of the session. Yeah, literally. No deep pullbacks. Time is it? 8:22. Let's stay on for a bit. I'm not really in a rush today. I don't have much to do. I'm just still waiting on this pullback on NQ. Nope. Not anything yet. We're just waiting still. Oh, we touched that. 26. Starting to buy it back up. Waiting on the entry, guys. Got 2 minutes left, or 1 minute left on this 15-minute. Wait to see how this closes. Mm, 20 seconds until this closes. See this 30-minute chart too. Okay. All right. All right. Damn, don't take off without us. Wait. Oh, wait. No, I'm not in a trade yet. Damn it. Honestly, I think we might have missed our entry on that. Oh my god. No. Don't leave without us. Okay, so I want to see it close above like 80 on this 5-minute and then a pull back into like 60 on the 5-minute. Might have left without us already though, guys. Just letting you know. No, I did not take it. But my idea is working though, right? Johnny called longs at what? What did he call longs at, Jonathan? 71. He called longs at 71, and we went all the way down to 23. He was red, almost 50 points on his trade, and he wants to get at me. It's okay, bro. DM me on Instagram if you have any questions. If you need some advice on your trading. Oh, man. Yeah, it honestly just happened too quick. You know, a big thing too is if you go down to the 1 minute, we just started flushing. We flushed fast. So it was the 9:20 or 11:26 Eastern time candle. So we were in this range. We flushed down into 23 and immediately started, pushing up within like 4 minutes. And I don't know, I wanted to wait for that closure. We didn't close the candle. We closed the candle at 53, and I was really just waiting for that candle closure. But I'm not really upset, Look, ES bounced at my 61.8 retracement as well. Almost 13 points on ES. I'm not mad. At least my plan went, worked. If you guys took it, you guys definitely made some money. I did not take it, though. Still just waiting. I've been trying to be super patient in this market just because I do not want to get smoked. It's easy to get smoked. How do you miss your... Because it didn't confirm, bro. I didn't get my 100% confirmation. That's why I make more money than you, though, right? Yeah. Okay, bro. Prop boy. My bad you can't get a payout, bro. Bro doesn't have a profile picture. Would really like to see like this 5-5 area. If we get a pullback into it. I like the way that 5 minute closed. If we were able to get this pullback to like 5-7, I'd ideally have my stops at like 40. So like a 17-point stop. And we'd potentially be able to get like 100 points off of it. What do you want proof of? DM me on Instagram and I'll send you my my payouts and I'll show you what I spent. Last month I spent 4K with props, but I got, watch, I'll pull it up right now. spent 4K, but I had 13,000 net. So I spent a total of 4,091 and 78 cents. So 4,091. I earned $17,054.96, and my net total is $12,963.18. Boom. Yeah, so I spent 4,000, but I made 17,000. So I'm green 13,000. It's a business. No, I mean, I'm just being transparent because I'm sure that some of you guys would like to know, how much I actually spend with prop firms. I mean, I could spend 4K with prop firms and get 4K in payouts and say that I made 4K, or I can spend 15,000 with prop firms and got 15,000 in payouts, and I'm not really making money, But to spend 4,000 and make 17,000, I'm green 13,000. So my Ponzi scheme. How do I have a Ponzi scheme? Go flip the burgers, bro. Are we just gonna stay on here all day, guys? That's what it's looking like. Exactly. Where's Jadon? Who's this Mexican? I feel like we're struggling to get this push up. We're rejecting off the fibs. Yeah, I mean, I am American. I'm a United States citizen. I was born in the U.S. as well. Fun fact, my family's been in Colorado and New Mexico before they were states. They've been in Colorado before it became a state, and they were in New Mexico before the U.S. was even a country. My family's been in Texas before it was a state as well, too. I had a grandfather that fought in the Civil War. We got like 8 inches, max down here in the metro area. And then a lot of it's already gone though. Yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, I do have ancestors that were like from Mexico and some family from Mexico too, like through marriage and stuff like that, but like a majority of my family, we're all American. We all have our, like, my grandparents are from the US. They speak Spanish, but they are from the US. My dad speaks Spanish. He's from the US. That's insane. Yeah, the snow's all gone here. I'm glad I didn't shovel yesterday. Honestly, I hate New Mexico. It's so far. I live in DFW in Texas. Yeah, I mean, it was Mexico at a time. It was also Spain, too. It was a territory of Spain. Gotta grind, guys. Thank you is being really weird. Need confirmation. You're stupid, bro. Why is there super chat available to? I don't know. I don't think anybody ever uses it. I don't have enough people for super chat. I mean, I have like 260 in here right now. Super chat should be only oh, why is there not super chat? Cuz we don't do that. I mean, we're not trying to make money off of just, you know, giving information. I mean, this is something that we do during the day. At least Jalen, he's very knowledgeable in it. And yeah, makes trading less lonely. Advertise what? I don't have nothing. I don't sell anything. No problem. Appreciate you, Kenneth. Bone wants a job, huh? We're honestly just waiting. I don't really see too much right now. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick though, guys. Give me like 1 minute. I'm the fastest peer alive. Gene, in your opinion, what size do you recommend going in to pass a 50K account, EOD? Do you have a daily loss limit? What do you mean projects? Yes, I did. I watched them really fast. Got to get back to you guys. So, Joel, the way that I do things, it depends. If you're trying to pass them one day, what I like to do, go in with 5 micros, 5 to 8, try and make your first 500 bucks, build that buffer going in, so now you have a buffer of 1500 on the day, and then you can slowly increase or just keep the same size. I just break it down. I try to make the first 500, then the next 750, so then you'd be at what, 1250. Try and make 1,000 and then scale it back down. So it's like a pyramid. 5 to 8 micros, go up to like 10 if you do good on that trade. And then, maybe even 12, and then come back down 10 to 5. I don't need an assistant, bro. Thanks for the offer, though. Damn, this phone's going off. Nope. Not in a trade. It looks like we want to start pushing down now. With that push up off of 2.6 to 9.7. Still not liking nothing, guys. I don't hate you, Bone. I trade micros on the funded. Damn. There goes that NQ. Not really liking this bounce area as much anymore. I have a feeling that we're gonna flip. Time is it's already almost 10. Been on here for almost 3 hours. Started trading 4.5 years ago. Nope, haven't took a trade yet. Joel. My uncle, his name is Joel too, but he pronounces it Joel. See if we can fall below this. Broke that 50% retracement. Still gonna watch this 800. I'll be hanging out with Brandon later. My best bud. The best gayest trader in Team Bull. Brandon trades. All in reality, Brandon and Jadon are some of my most favorite people on this earth. They're great people. 152 sellers are on Bookmaps where at 860. That just means that they have sell orders sitting there. Which honestly, that makes sense. Yeah, for sure. W long. Got 5 minutes left until 10. My bad. I'm really getting any confirmations for this area. Yeah, it is a key level for longs. I'm just waiting. We're gonna see what we can get. Got a couple more minutes until this candle closes. Damn, that sell-off is insane. We're at that 15-minute high. Hope it just closed at 10-minute or 10 o'clock. I think we're gonna continue this reversal. Oh, guys, I don't think I'm gonna take anything. I think I'm just gonna call it here. I will see you guys later on today. Peace out.